Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama? What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious couscous for kids. So stay tuned to the end of this video and see how I achieve this yummy couscous. I have here with me the couscous, and these are the veggies I'm going to use for this couscous for my little baby. And here is my olive oil. I'm going to use it to prepare this couscous. And here is the fish I'm going to use for this recipe. And this is my seasoning cubes from cow brand and chicken brand. This is Maggie seasoning. And here is my black pepper. And I have here ginger, garlic powder, and at the same time my ginger powder. And I'm going to use this small one large onions for this recipe. So let's get started. So right now what you are going to do is to add the amount of couscous in a bowl. In this couscous I'm going to make it soft because my baby like it when it's softer. So I will add hot water and leave it to rest for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add my boiled hot water. So I will step it aside for 5 minutes. So I will add a clean pot on the fire, then add small amount of olive oil. So and leave it to heat up for just a few minutes. So now at this moment I'm going to add my chopped onions and fry it. So after stirring, I'm going to add my fish, So now I'm going to add small black pepper inside, just small, because you don't have to make it too sharp. It's for baby. So now I'm going to add the veggies inside. So after stirring, I will add my garlic and ginger. So I'm going to add small amount of garlic and ginger. Then I will add my Maggie seasoning cubes from the cow brand and chicken brand. So at this moment I'm just going to stir and add water. So now I'm going to add some water. And cover it to cook. And leave it to cook for just 3 minutes. So at this moment our couscous is already well resolved. So what we are going to do now, we are going to check the boiled vegetable. At this moment we are going to match it. Sorry guys, I don't know if you are seeing it. So I think it's okay now. I'm going to match all this because my baby love it when it's softer. I'm going to match everything and make it softer before I add my couscous. So guys, as you can see how I have matched the veggies inside so that my baby can be able to eat it. So what I will do next is to add my couscous inside. Yeah, guys, so right now I'm gonna add my couscous. Yeah, and stir everything together. Yes, guys. So guys, I believe we've come to the end of this couscous recipe. Is this not looking yummy? So if you like what you just watched, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please, you can as well share my video. Is a way of helping your girl. And please, if you have any question, feel free to drop it at the comment section down below. My baby love this couscous, very soft. Yeah, so I believe I have come to the end of this video. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out.